Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to check your login activity on Snapchat. Okay, first things first, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Tap on your Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the gear, which is the settings icon. In settings, locate and tap on two-factor authentication. If you haven't already, make sure to enable two-factor authentication for your Snapchat account. This adds an extra layer of security. After enabling two-factor authentication, scroll down and find the option Forget Devices. Tap on Forget Devices, and in here, you'll see a list of all the devices that have access to your Snapchat account. Each device on the list represents a device that is currently logged in into your Snapchat account. For example, you'll see the device names, and if you want to remove a login device for any reason, just simply tap on the X icon next to the device you want to remove. A confirmation prompt will then appear, and just tap Yes to confirm the removal. And that should fix your issue. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now check your login activity on Snapchat. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.